Hello, this is the second video of the series about the hair custom tab. Last time I showed you the star of the tab, which is the sheets from areas or apartment sheets too. If you haven't already, go and check that video right after you finish this one. But today I'm just showing the tools from the left to the right on the tab. And the first one to the left is the guide, because I believe that whenever you're dealing with such a complex custom tool with many tabs and buttons and instruments, you have to have a good guide. So if you just click on that button, a PDF is opened with instructions of how to use the guide, and this PDF is made a bit interactive, so you can click either on these titles here, or you can directly click on the tools that you're interested in, and then you can read about them, and then you can click here to return back to the first page of the PDF. So it's not perfect, but it's fine, it works. Then if you look closely, there is this little arrow underneath the button, and if you go and click on the second button, the guides, you're prompted to open a document from this directory. And this directory is where we keep all the guides and manuals and instructions. So it's really convenient to have this shortcut directly from Revit. The next button to the right of the guide is the Show Tips button. And this is how the whole hair tab started. This was the first button to appear there, because we had these weekly tips and tricks, and then they turned into a button. So this is a list of tips and tricks, and the cool thing about it is that this list is currently read from a CSV file. So you can use Excel to add new tips and tricks, but also I'm going to upgrade this in the future, so even the Excel is not needed, but you just put the information in the right folder and then it's read automatically. But how does it work? I can just double click on some of the tips, and you can see that here we have some instructions and even videos in this case. In most of the cases we only use pictures, but you can also load videos in that. And right next to it is the random tip. And the random tip is just selecting a random tip from that list that you saw here. So if you feel like you have a couple of minutes to just remind yourself of something, then you can go and hit that random tip button and a random tip will appear. And here you can see it's again a video tip showing about formulas in Revit and how we can type them in. Haven't done that one myself, so I'm not sure what it is showing, to be honest. Then that's all for today. I'm going to be showing the rest of these tools in the following videos, but I want to keep it short. So now I think that, of course, the sheets from areas is a good video to watch if you haven't already. And yeah, see you next time.